We're now getting some breaking news at the start of the broadcast where we're learning that Pratika Rawal has confirmed to CNN News 18 that Jay Shah had intervened to get her a World Cup medal. What she was wearing in Prime Minister's meeting was a support staff medal, but she is getting her own very soon.
Speaking of that meeting with the PM, you were wearing a World Cup medal around your neck. So was that indeed
Yeah.
Amanjot's medal? Because she was seen not wearing one. Can tell us the story behind that.
So no, fortunately, Jay Shah sir texted our manager that, I
Okay.
want to make arrangements and I want to, get Pratika medal, because I'm,
Hmm.
trying, that Pratika do get some medal. So, finally, I now do have my own medal, which
Oh,
is an
you
amazing
do.
thing. Yeah, yeah. So Aman
Okay.
has her own. I don't know why she was not wearing the medal that day. She
Hmm.
must have forgotten.
Hmm.
But I've finally got my own medal, and when the first time I opened it up and I looked towards it, and I was, almost in tears. Like I'm not a person who cries a lot, but that emotion was real. That feeling of joyness, that feeling of excitement was too much.
So can you tell us the story behind this? What exactly happened? When did you get to know and what did Jesha tell you? When did you finally get it? Before the Prime Minister's meeting?
Yes. What happened was I was going back to my home, and Maruf sir called me, and he's like, I just got off a call with Jaisha sir, and he said, I wanna recognize Pratika. I am asking the ICC if they can send a medal for her. So that medal is gonna take some while to reach me. So Maruf sir gave one of the support staff's medal in order to
Okay.
consider that I have my own. So my medal is on the way, and
Okay.
so I finally have my own medal.
And my colleague Shivani Gupta, who just interviewed Pratika, is now joining us on the broadcast. Shivani, help us understand what really transpired. What were the ICC rules that prevented Pratika from getting that medal, and now she finally has it?
Yes, so one of the bittersweet stories of this World Cup and the India winning campaign was the fact that Pratika, who was the fourth highest scorer in the World Cup amongst all teams and one of the highest scorers for India, she suffered an ankle injury during a match before the semi-final, and she couldn't play the semi-final and the final because the injury was such she had to be replaced into the squad by Shefali, who turned out to be the hero of the final. But because of ICC rules, only the 15-member squad that plays or is the squad during the final can get a World Cup medal if the team eventually goes on to win the World Cup final. And because of that technicality and formality, Pratika wasn't supposed to get her medal. We saw her being feted by the World Cup winning team because she played a huge role as far as this World Cup winning campaign is concerned, but she wasn't supposed to get that medal. The team took her to the stage though as far as the trophy presentation etc. is concerned, but there it ended. But then there were a lot of speculations about what's happening about her medal. There was a lot of people commenting about how she deserves it, and maybe the ICC should relook at this because a player who's played the entire league stage and only has missed out on the knockout because of an injury and has played a huge role should not miss out. Now what we're getting to know is that Pratika was indeed wearing a medal when the PM meeting happened yesterday. We saw in those pictures and a lot of speculation was going on. So when I asked her, she has said that that was a support staff medal that has been given to her to be considered as hers for the meantime. But Jay Shah, who's the ICC chairman, has told the team management and the BCCI cricket operations guy that, we are going to get a medal for Pratika. He's working on it and that will take some time. So we are still waiting for more details from the BCCI and the ICC as to how it's going to be done. But clearly, both the BCCI and the ICC want to ensure that Pratika also gets a medal. It could well be a rule change that this incident triggers.
Absolutely. And Shivani, Pratika speaks to you in that interview. She speaks about how Jay Shah has been really instrumental in making that happen. But she, on a wheelchair, celebrating the team's victory from the sidelines, was as much of glory for India, and there were fans supporting her. What has been the chatter around this story online also, and what are the fans really saying in support of Pratika?
Well, like I said, a lot of people felt really heartbroken that she missed out on the semi-final and the final. She was in great form. After Smriti Mandhana, she is the second highest run scorer for India in the World Cup campaign. And this is despite missing out on the last 2 matches. So yes, it was very bittersweet for her. But like she told me in this interview that, one of the things that everybody has been talking about, and she was asked this by the Prime Minister himself, and she recalled that, what do you think is special about this team? And she said, and she told the Prime Minister, as we heard yesterday, that, everybody cares about everybody in this team. And after she was knocked out of the final 2 matches because of the injury, she heard from fellow teammates and via her father that the team had decided that they want to win it for Pratika. Jemimah Rodriguez, in fact, told her father that, please tell her we're going to try and win this for Pratika. And then, of course, they defeated her after the final victory as well. So, that has been the hallmark of this team. And she talked about this with the PM as well. And she has, of course, mentioned that she has, received this word from Jay Shah himself, who has told the team management that he is working on getting that World Cup medal for her because her contribution was pretty significant. And yes, it does happen that you have players who miss out on the final, the team goes on to win the final. I think it has happened to an Australian player in the past in the men's section. So it does happen, it's rare, it does happen, but if somebody has played a huge role, should they really miss out from a World Cup final medal? That's the big question here.